I'm so excited for us to talk about the coach certification program and answer all of your questions today.
Some of the most common questions I think that we get here: do I have what it takes? What's expected? What are the requirements going to be? So I'm just going to touch on that a little bit so that you have an idea of really what you can expect in this program. What we do is we pair you with the most amazing coach instructor in a small group, and it's based off of the times that you say work for you. During that 6 months, you'll meet once a week at the same time each week with a small group. Everything that we teach you, by the time you reach your certification, you really have everything you need to coach on almost any topic.
I have to tell you guys, Life Coach School certification, our program is the gold standard coach training. You as a coach, once you come out of certification, are going to be able to confidently coach anyone on anything. That's something I never believed I could do, and it is true. We have the best tools, the best resources, the best instructors. We're so invested and just care so much about you coming out certified, feeling confident, ready to coach anyone. Your growth with the Life Coach School doesn't end once you're certified. Whether you want to become an entrepreneur or whether you want to work for another coaching company like the Life Coach School, another business, we've got you covered with specialized training to help you thrive and succeed as a coach.
You don't have to pay any additional money after you do coach certification to have access to all of the alumni benefits, which I think is ridiculous because I would have paid the price for certification just for the alumni benefits, but you get all of it, including the 6 months to get certified and then the alumni benefits, all in the same price for certification. You get access to the certified site, which has endless amounts of trainings and call archives, because as certified coaches, we get monthly live coaching calls, both on life and business, included in our alumni benefits. And then all of the recordings of those from years prior are on that website.
Once you are certified, you're going to be part of the most amazing community of coaches in the world.
Now is actually an even more perfect time to become a life coach because of certain circumstances happening in the world.
We are literally going through a period where a lot of people are experiencing trauma. People have never needed coaching more than they do right now. It's the perfect time.
So what you get when you join for certification is truly such an incredible opportunity. We have the best instructors. It's truly life-changing. And I just really am just excited for you that you're even allowing yourself the opportunity to dream of this new career. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out at the team at the Life Coach School, and they can answer any of the questions that you still have.